In 1954, he said three things will happen. First, we will lose touch with technology. We will think it can do things that it cannot do. Second, we will lose touch with reality. We will have difficulties distinguishing what's true, what false, and with all these deep fakes we have today and stuff like that. And finally, we will lose touch with ourselves. We will simply stop trusting our own judgment and our own ability to think. And now standing 70 years later, looking at society.
I mean, it's an impressive thing to say in 1954, but I think it's also interesting to ask, it was only 10 years after the end of the Second World War, where arguably the invention and deployment of radio is doing exactly the same. And actually, we started losing touch with this. One of the problems we face today is that when it came to the internet, we threw away the lessons of radio and television in terms of how media was being controlled. But it's sort of striking, isn't it, when you look at like attempts to regulate the printing press, including things like stamp taxes and attempts to push back against pamphleteering, which, whether it was expressing interesting notions of liberty or not, it was definitely undermining the security of the state at the time.